Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an easy cheese tart. This simple recipe is perfect for beginners and busy bakers alike. We'll use common ingredients you likely already have, creating a delightful dessert with minimal fuss. The entire process, from mixing to baking, takes less than 1 hour, so you can enjoy a warm, homemade treat very quickly. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this effortless and delicious tart. First, let's prepare our incredibly simple crust. You'll need 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 50 grams of cold, cubed butter, and 25 grams of granulated sugar. Combine these ingredients until crumbly, then press the mixture firmly and evenly into a 9-inch tart pan. There's no need for chilling. Bake this base for about 10 minutes in a preheated oven until it's just lightly golden. This quick step sets the stage for our delicious tart. Now for the star of the show, the creamy cheese filling. In a bowl, beat 200 grams of softened cream cheese until it's wonderfully smooth and fluffy. Next, gradually mix in 50 grams of granulated sugar and 1 large egg until well combined. For that extra touch of warmth, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, pour this luscious mixture into your pre-baked tart crust, spreading it evenly. It's looking great already. Your cheese tart is almost ready. Bake it in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. The edges should be set, but the center might still have a slight wobble, which is perfectly normal. Once baked, let the tart cool completely on a wire rack. This is crucial for a clean slice. Before serving, you can add a beautiful garnish like fresh berries or a light dusting of powdered sugar. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.